Issues can be anything, ranging from requests to feedback, or even simple notes related to specific resources. And Snowray has a dedicated page where these issues can be maintained. Besides accessing issues from the dedicated issues page, they can also be reached from the resource-specific issues pages. But we'll get to that in a bit. First, let's take a look at the structure of the global issues page. It provides a list-style overview of all the issues created in the system. The listed issues are displayed with their title, along with the resource that is referenced by the issue, the participants of the issue, and the number of comments made on the issue. Issues also have a status, open or resolved, with a corresponding icon, which can be a useful visual cue when switching to the tab that displays all issues at once. In addition to the visuals, you can also use search terms to locate certain issues more easily. You have the option to choose from a variety of filters as well, which will help you to refine your view. For example, you can display only the issues created by yourself or ones where you made a comment and as a result become a participant. Finally, you can also apply different sorting options for ordering the issues. Now that we have seen what the overview page has in store for us, let's examine a specific issue and have a look at the layout. Issues will always have a title and will also display the resources that they are based on. You will also see the user who created the issue and the time of creation. Optionally, issues might have a description that can provide some information about the purpose of the issue itself. Note that the title and the description fields are editable as quickly as clicking in the corresponding fields and changing the text. When you have an issue open like this, you can leave a comment and with that become a participant in the issue. Just simply write your note in the corresponding field and press this button. You can also reply to a specific comment by pressing the quote reply option. Once an issue is considered to be concluded, it can be set to resolved with the help of this button. Don't worry, if you need to return an already resolved issue, you can reopen them anytime. Along with the global page, an issues page for the different resources is also available. The layout of this resource-specific issues page is almost the same as the global page, with the minor difference of displaying the reference component in the middle. Other than that, you have the same features and functionalities in place. With that, we have covered everything you need to know about the issues page. Thanks for watching.